Welcome to ScholarNets. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our math class. Today I am going to start a series on multiplication and division. The next 3 videos will be based on multi-digit multiplication, long division, and we will take the world problem related to multiplication and long division. So today's video is about multi-digit multiplication. So let's go started. Multi-digit multiplications. What is multi-digit multiplication? When we have to multiply with two or more digit. So most students lose points in multiplication because of one small mistake. Today I am going to show you how to never make that mistake again. Like 34 multiply by 27. This is the multi-digit multiplication. So how many of you feel nervous when you say this? So by the end of this lesson, this will feel easy. Like 6 multiply with 8, 9 multiply with 7. If you know the multiplication, you can easily do this one. Or if your multiplication facts are strong, long multiplication become easy. Okay? Here 6 times 8 will be 48. 9 times 7 is 63. So now we have to, now let's level up. We have to multiply the multi-digit multiplication. We have to do the multi-digit multiplication. So when we do the multiplication, we multiply from right to left. To multiply from right to left. Okay. We have to start from the right side and go towards the left side. So the first here, what is the first step we have to do? Step 1 is multiply by 7. 34, 27. So what we have to do? First step, we have to multiply by 7. Here is the 7. So how we will multiply? I'm just writing here to just explain you. Okay. You have to just multiply with 7. 34 is multiplying with 7. So first 7 times 4 is 28. 2 will be the carryover. Then 7 times 3. Just 21 plus 2. It will be 23. This is 34 multiply with 7. Okay. So this is the first step. So what will be here? It will be 238. 34 is multiplied with 7. Now the step 2. The step 2 is multiply by 2. That is the tens place. So now this 2 is not just 2. It is 20 because it is in the tens place. So it is not just a 2. So we have to write a 0 place holder. 34 I'm writing it separately just to make you explain. You have to continue after this here. So 2 is not, it is in the tens place. So it is, the value of 2 is 20. That's why we need to write a 0 placeholder because it's 20. We shift left or add a 0. We have to shift one digit from to left. Okay, or you can place a 0 here, and you have to shift 1 to left. Now you have to multiply 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now the step 3 is we have to add 34, 27 to 38. This one. Then what we have to do? We have to add it. 8 plus 0, it will be 8. 8 plus 3, it will be 11. 1 carryover will go here. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. This is the final answer. Okay, that's it. Nothing is scary in this one. Understand how we have to do the multi-digit multiplication. In the first one, we have to first start with the right to left. Okay, don't start from left to right. You have to keep in mind that you have to start from right to left. So first you have to, in the right side, first digit is 7. So you have to multiply with 7. Then you have to multiply with the second digit, that is here it is 2, and 2 is here, it is in the tens place, so the value of 2 is 20. That's why we shift one digit left to left side. So that's why we shift one digit left, or you can place a 0 here. This is called the 0 place holder. This is the 0 place holder. You can make a smiley face here if you want. Okay, this is the 0 place holder. Then we multiply here with the 2. Then the final step is we have to add it, and then we will get our final answer. Okay, now do this one. 24 multiply with 15. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. 2 is the carryover. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Now 1 times 4 is 4 and 1 times 2 is 2. Then what we have to do in the third step? We have to add it. 4, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1. We got 144. So can you tell me what went wrong here? Can anyone figure it out? What mistake I did here? Just check carefully and let me know in the comment what mistake I did here. See, here I told you we have to place a 0. Okay, because 1 is in the tens place. So when multiplying tens, you must shift left. And here I didn't shift to left. So if we will do like this will be wrong. This is wrong. If we will not shift toward left, will not place a 0 placeholder, then our multiplication is wrong. So what will be the correct one? This one, 24 multiply with 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 is a carryover. 5 times 10 is 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Now 1 is in the tens place. It means we have to shift left, or you can place a 0 here. Now 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Now you have to add 0, 6, 3. This is the correct answer. Okay, so always keep in mind when you are doing the tens place, you have to shift to left. Okay, And if you will not shift, then your multiplication will be wrong. And this mistake cost many students points. So always keep in mind. I hope till now it's clear how you can do the multi-digit multiplication. Now let's take a bigger number with the same steps. It is 156 multiply with 24. So what is the first step? First step is we have to multiply with 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 2 is the carryover. Then 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2. It will be 22. The 2 will come here and 2 is the carryover. Now 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2. It will be 6. Now we have to multiply with 2. And 2 is in the tens place. So what we have to do? We have to shift left, or you can add a 0 placeholder. Okay. Now 2 times 6 is 12. Then 1 carryover will be here. Then 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Then 1 carryover will go here. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 it is 3. Now in the final step, what we have to do? We have to just add. 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 6 plus 1 is 7, is 3. This is our final answer. Okay. If you can do this, you can multiply any number. How big it will be doesn't matter. If you know this one, you can multiply any numbers. Okay. Let's take another one. 56 multiply with 43. 3 times 6 is first. We have to start from the right to left. That's why we are taking 3 first. And 3 times 6 is 18. It will come here. 1 will go carry over. Then 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Then 4. The value of 4 is 40. It is in the tens place. So we have to put a 0 placeholder and we have to shift to left. 4 times 6 is 24. 2 is the carryover. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22. Now we have to add it. 8, 6 plus 4 is 10, 2 plus 1, carry over 4, just 2. This is the answer. Okay. I hope the multi-digit multiplication is clear and you can now easily do it. Now I'll give you some question and pause the video and try to solve it. Then match with my answer whether you get it correct or not. And first one is 78 multiply with 45. Okay. The second question is 234 multiply with 32. And the third one is 409 multiply with 18. Pause the video and solve it and then match with my answer whether you get it correct or not. So 5 times, first we will start from the right side. So 5 times 8 is 40. So 0 will come here and 4 will go. Say carry over. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. Now 4. 4 is in the tens place. It means we have to put a 0 place holder. And we have to shift left. 4 times 8 is 32. 3 is the carryover. And 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. Now, in the final step, what we have to do? We have to add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1. 1 will be carry over. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. This is 3. This is the answer. Now solve this one. Here, first we will multiply with 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. Then 2 times 3 is 6. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Now we have to multiply with 3. 3 is in the tens place. We have to add a 0 placeholder and we have to shift to left. So 3 times 4 is 12. 1 will be the carryover and 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 carryover will go here. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Now we have to add it. 8, 8, 4, 7. This is the answer. Now solve the last one. 8 times 9 is 72. 2 will be here, 7 will be the carryover. 8 plus 0 is 0. Sorry, 8 multiply with 0 is 0 plus 7 be 7. Now 8 times 4 is 32. Now we have to, in the second step, we have to multiply with 1. 1 time 9, we have to first add a 0 placeholder. Then 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. Now we have to add it. 2. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 is the carryover. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. This is the answer. Now match it with your answer and let me know in the comment below how many you did it correct. Okay. So what we learned today in the multi-digit multiplication, and what are the multiplication steps? The multiplication steps are multiplication steps. We learn about the multiplication steps. The first step is multiply by one's digit. And the second step was place a zero holder, then multiply by tens digit. And the third step was add rows. So these are the steps in multi-digit multiplication. First is multiply by one's digit, and always keep in mind then when we do the multiplication we have to go from right to left. Okay, so the first step is multiply by one's digit, then place a second step is place a zero holder and multiply by tens digit, and the third step is just add the rows. So if you follow these three steps carefully, you will never fear any multiplication again. Okay. Today we learned about the multi-digit multiplication. In our next lesson, we will master long division and it connects directly to multiplication. So don't miss it. Till then, keep practicing multiplication. See you in the next video. Bye.